Good afternoon.
Ndumiriri-ini iria munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja onekete kweherania borithi na giko gia kunyitwo migwate kwa mũmbunge wa Juja George Koimbũri augite riria borithi maranyitire riboti yegie kuonekana gwake noguo maroire ikinya ria gwikinyia haria aratuika aronekire.
The officers then proceeded to Princeview Hospital in Ruiru, where the member of parliament had reportedly been taken for treatment. They confirmed that the vehicle used to transport him, registration numbers KCJ 660P, belonged to the Honorable Member of Parliament George Koimbũri.
Kuringana na Kanja nginyagia riu andu atano nio mauritio ciuria na kwandikithia ndumiriri uthuthuria-ini uria borithi mambikite na magia na mweke ni megukorwo makiaraniria na mũmbunge uyu.
The investigating team has interviewed and recorded statements from 5 individuals, with several more expected to provide their accounts, and particularly Honorable George Koimbũri.
Kanja no ongereire ati mũmbunge uyu ni akoretwo agethanwo nake ni borithi iguru ria cira uria umugumeire wigie utunyani wa mugunda.
On Friday 23rd May 2025, the Member of Parliament, fully aware of police intention to arrest him, evaded arrest by escaping on a motorcycle with his private security and switched off his mobile phone. His car, occupied only by his driver, was intercepted, and the driver was arrested but later released after recording a statement.
No na borithi makiugaga ni merutĩire kwenjera uma wigie kunyitwo migwate kwa mũmbunge uyu, atongoria makiria ya mũng'ethanĩro aria mekinyitie guthie kumuona thibitari ni makomithitie uhoro uyu.
Despite our persistent calls to end arbitrary arrests, abductions, gross violation of human rights, and extrajudicial killings, the Ruto administration seems to be on a race to the bottom, that is to anarchy.
Atongoria ni mongereire kiria marauga ni gukumithia mutugo wa thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza kuoya mwerekera wa wagarari wa watho na itanya ria gukiria aria maramikararia.
He's lucky to be alive. And so we have one instrument, Constitution of Kenya 2010. And all public officers, from William Ruto to the police constables, must know that be held accountable under the Constitution.
IG Kanja, please do, you can tell that story to the bands, not to Kenyans. It doesn't make sense. Abductions and all forms of extrajudicial processes must come to an end in this country.
Ihoya ria atongoria aya kuri ya Kenya hamwe na ikundi cia gutetera ihoto ciao mundu ni kunyitanira nao magithie na mbere kuruira gitio gia gatiba ya bururi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, retwo riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.